It's time to load the goods onto the truck. This truck, manufactured in 2013, has a payload capacity of 9 tons. I need to take them to the pickup point. Driving a truck also provides a fairly good income. However, driving a truck is much more strenuous than driving cars, making the job quite stressful. Getting the truck into the pickup point is also really tough. Luckily, there's plenty of space today to maneuver. And just a little bit more, then we'll be done. All done, now just waiting to load up. I'll earn $8 per trip, and it's about a 100 kilometers journey each way. Now, I'll wait for the workers to load the wood chips onto the truck. There's a conveyor system for this, along with 2 workers and an excavator. The process is quite fast, only about 40 minutes. When it's nearly full, a worker hops onto the truck bed and begins to evenly spread the wood chips. I need to start the engine to fill up with air. Workers in Vietnam work very hard and persistently. Standing on the roof of a truck is like standing on the roof of a house, quite dangerous. And I'll have to maneuver the truck back and forth to facilitate the loading process. One worker has a lot of skills. They weren't even trained to operate the excavator. But no worries, just pay them $1 per hour and they'll do everything. Oh, I need to move forward a bit. The summer in Vietnam is scorching hot. He says it's like an oven in here. The engine heat seeps into the cabin, making it even hotter and more uncomfortable. The truck bed is filled now. The cargo weight is probably around 23 tons. Now we have to cover the truck with a tarp. Secure it tightly or the wood chips might fly out onto the road.
Đến thứ hai đã. Dạ. Tiền á? Có chứ. Thế phải còn được tiêu chứ.